That's the shiz. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Hope you're good. I know I'm good because I'm back in nature. Time to enjoy it and of course share it with you guys. So we're gonna quit the chit chat, get to Camp 17, man. Here. I wanna be camping. Nice little open area here. Room with a view. Room with a view. It's what you might call all good. Right. Last time we were set up for 3 o'clock, but not so lucky today. We were knackered from that hill. Planned to go a little bit further, but came across a few spots around here, and since we were knackered, we thought, why not? We'll just go here. So this'll do. But the complete overcast is a bit disappointing, but anyway, it's time to set up. So we better start figuring out where we're gonna be. Where are we gonna be? I don't know. Oh, that is a stunning tree, man. There's the blackout room. Quite jealous. Lovely. Alright, Mark did say he was going to originally go down here with me, but it's a bit more slanty down here. So if they're there, I'd love to go next to them. No, I'd love to go next to you, just like you wanted to go next to me down here, but it looks like we're going to be a bit apart. Oh well. I'm thinking probably about there. Oh yeah, I didn't think about where the tarp is. Nah, that's hell of a slanty, I can tell. I'll figure something out.
Laying on your side.
Alrighty guys, I am freaking knackered. About 5 to 5, tent done. They're probably nearly finished filling it. Now I've got to quickly fill mine and we'll be full on settled. Winding up the radio. I've got to get one of them.
I tested it before we left, it was working.
Ah.
Now, nothing.
But we have this for review at the front, this for review at the back. Woodland. It's what you call stunning. Ah, yes. Yes, it's good to be here. Chilling in beauty. Oh my damn. Rain. Only spit, but we ain't expecting any, and I'm seeing little spits. I better get that tent inside filled. God, the rain's not strong. You can't see it on there, but it's coming down really lightly, heavily, if that makes any kind of sense. So we can't sit out here for a minute, and that takes away our starting to prepare for a fire. Just as we were going to gather up dry wood, it's going to get wet again. I'm worried we won't have one now. And now I see someone with a dog. Great. In there, out there, that saw him. Oh dear. Well, it's 5:45 and this spitty rain keeps coming and going, so I was going to settle down for a little bit of a chill out, but start panicking about the wood being wet and stuff, so dug a bit in the ground, put my fireproof mat down, and we brought these two definitely 100% dry bits from home, hoping we can get something going. Much better luck than last time. Got some blue coming out. See the moon a minute ago as well.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey Angel, you okay?
I do good. Hello.
Oh yeah, guys. God, all I can think about is last camp and how hard it was. And look at the sky, look. Woohoo! It was overcast. Ignore that bit. 7:15 and just pooped. Oh, it's just been go, go, go. Luckily that rain buggered off in that, but it was a panicky trying to get the fire going and stuff. And just discovered a minute ago that the gas canister is low. I've hardly had time to chill, so I just had to dive in my tent and be like, ugh, for a little bit. But still, we haven't got one. So good. No. Yeah.
Come on. Tara, away.
I need a stumpy bit. Go in the middle. That's my saw.
Outside here, and I put my lips to that, it would be scalding.
God. Alright, I'm ready. Yeah, move that out of the way.
Wait. If you get another one, something like that in.
Go, baby, go. Just trying to keep this fire going so we can cook our tea. This is going to be curry. But it's like last time, a little bit of work. Hopefully not exactly like last time. Right, open the...
Hi.
Pretty sure you got. Yeah, saucepan.
Daddy. Daddy.
Whoa. Hi.
Do not tell Isaac. don't tell Isaac. Okay, Daddy?
What, that you're in the tent? Okay. Well, it's coming up to 9 now. We got a bit of light going on. Got a bit of night scenery going on.
That's what I want to get for me and you, basically, babe. Like that. But there are ones where you can have a higher back. Yeah. More back support.
Damn good camping vibes
But they're like
going on. Love it!
Right, B.
That's 4 red UFOs in the sky. They're not moving. Just staying there.
No.
Freaky. What's going on with the light?
Yeah, it's gone up that way. But I told you about it the other day, I think, saying that's where she used to drive up. You said, oh, I didn't know. Okay.
What? I'm sorry.
See? Down by Isaac's feet.
Coming up to 10 o'clock now. Belly's full. Evening's been had.
Dad,
Some getting in bed, some not. Wanna get in the tent now, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, you had enough of outside.
Mhm.
Let's get you snugly in that tenty. Quarter to 11 now. It's just me and Mark. Kids asleep. Laura's asleep. And we got the fire. We brought it back to life. So we could have some heat before bed. It's roaring nicely now, but man, just not as bad as last camp, but definitely took some work and certain tactics we could have done differently. Once again, it's the end of the night when it's looking its best. God, we're just waiting for those warmer temperatures, man. Fire is, yeah, warmer, drier. Fire becomes easy. It's fortunate enough earlier to have some, I don't know why I point up, you can't see, to have some stars. It was nice and clear. It was beautiful for a while, but they are starting to get covered up. A few still out. Lucky with that. Kinda can't believe it's end of the night. Busy family camp.
as you can. So still having a trail when you try to see was pretty cool. Yeah. You don't need this anymore, you're not going to use it for the mornings, it's good for the rest. You have to constantly shaking it. Right, coming up to 12:30 now. Yeah, Mark's finished chilling by the fire until it went out. Now he's got in, and I'm just about to get in. Well, I'm in, and I think it's like 12:30. I'm tired now, so time to go to sleep. Just like she is. And I'll see you guys. God, look at my eyes. I'll see you guys in 2 months. Morning guys, I'm up to 8 now. Somebody, what's you know, decided to wake at 3. So I am I'm in a state of not wanting to be knackered.
up here. Wow. A lot. Hey, look what I found.
Thank God. Eat your gum. Oh, it's just about 9 o'clock. We got nice sun coming through. And it's that horrible, God, can't be arsed time of packing away. And I really can't be arsed because of Madam having me up in the night. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of this ash now. It looks like a massive tooth, doesn't it?
No.
I got a friend in my tent. Can't remember what it is. Where are you going, bud? It's cool watching his body ripple up as he moves. Muscle.
Hi, Dad. I can see you.
Hi, baby.
Sit. Sit. That's the ball. Give it. Give it. Wait. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Okay. No, it's mine. It's mine. It's mine.
Right, it is 9:45. Finished all the inside packing. Now the tent itself. We'll make it down there, then down there. Yeah, he's done here. Alright then.
Come on then, Isaac.
Okay. Carla, are you going to cover for?
No, just stay with this. We'll be catching up in a minute, mate. I'm nearly finished. See you in a minute. Well, guys, as I've gone ahead, we got to quickly catch up. Time to leave this beautiful spot. Come on, baby, we gotta hurry. They waiting for us. Baby, you're waiting. Wasn't that great camping?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's always great camping.
I don't want to be going there.
Oh, we're coming up to the massive steep hill that we started off with. I'm glad we'll be going down it instead of up. Jesus. Oh yeah, that's true. They're probably at the bottom waiting for us, baby. Right guys, we've got to disappear down the hill with this little one. And as usual, I'll see all of you on Camp 18 next time. Wanna be campers?